So I'm going to be going short the fair value gap on the 5-minute chart I mentioned on Twitter. These are swing projections. I'll have to take 4 off inside that shaded area. The shaded area is basically anything below the 400 level, but before the first swing objective on my fib. So lines portion off here. So original 6 contracts, I wasn't able to add any more to it too quick. 5 of them are off and booked. And I'll try to see if I can get that limit order to print. Now I'm narrating over something. Obviously it's already happened, but you can see the executions. But I should be taking the final off once it goes to a lower low. But you'll see me manage the trade with the expectation it could still reach down there. So I'm looking inside this range here. It's permissible for it to trade up into that. That's completely normal. And just noting the 9s portion has been taken off at the swing target. I'm going to try to see if there's any more juice in this lemon. So if we can get a lower low, which I think at this time it still warrants a lower low, but does it give me the 370? That's the wrestling match I'm having. So the stop's been lowered to just above the rejection block on that up close candle inside that pink shaded area. Me being my facetious self, I'm going to get denied this morning on that last limit order, by the way. That's right there where I should have taken that final off. I already know that I'm going to get stopped out, but I'm going to stick with it because you have to see me get sometimes the calls wrong. So my stop is at 13.4.5.